You know the drill. Let's keep the conversations going. We are live on YouTube. Share with your friends, even enemies if you need to. They will appreciate you for that. We are also on Twitter, currently X, formerly Twitter, at TV47 News. My handle is at Muyakane. And I'll be happy to engage with you, not just on the news and reviews, but also on the conversation that we'll be having a little bit later on e-mobility. With me tonight to help me guide this ship is our sign language anchor, Catherine Simaloy. And with that, the news begins now. A private citizen has filed a petition seeking to remove Chief Justice Martha Koome from office. The petitioner, one Michael Kojo Otieno, claims that the Chief Justice failed to follow the law in appointing members of the Tax Appeal Tribunal. Kojo argues that the CJ was not transparent and diligent, adding that she discriminated against persons who had applied to be members of the tribunal. George Maringa reports.
The preamble of the Judicial Service Code of Conduct Ethics based on Section 5.1 of the Public Officers Ethics Act number 4 of 2003 provides that the code is intended to establish standards of ethical conduct of judicial officers to be applied consistently with constitutional requirement. That is a legislation from Parliament, hence makes her unfit to hold public office.
Michael Kojo Otieno has filed a petition with the Judicial Service Commission seeking the removal of Chief Justice Martha Koome from office. Otieno alleges that CJ Koome failed to adhere to the law in appointing members to the Tax Appeal Tribunal.
That is Rule 3.5. States that a judicial officer shall exhibit respect to the rule of law, comply with law, avoid impropriety and appearance of impropriety, and act in a manner that promotes public confidence in the integrity and impartiality of the judicial service. That one definitely clearly indicates that the CJ did not comply with the law.
Speaking outside the Milimani Law Courts, Otieno claimed that the Chief Justice lacked transparency and discriminated against certain applicants during the appointment process. He has raised 7 specific issues in his petition. According to Otieno, the CJ failed to conduct herself in a manner promoting transparency, lacked selflessness, did not foster public trust, and violated Article 166(2) of the Constitution.
The third ambit is about the national values and principles of good governance, anchored in Article 10. That is, the rule of law is there, impartiality is there. We also have got democracy is there and human rights. Those persons who had applied for those given positions and did not get the opportunity to be appointed, then definitely defeats the cause of justice.
The controversy stems from the CJ's appointments made 10 months ago, as indicated in a Gazette notice dated May 10, 2023. In that notice, CJ Koome stated that the newly appointed members selected through the Judicial Service Commission GSC would serve a 3-year term.
19th May 2023, that is Gazette notices 6285, 6286 and 6287. Excellency, the Chief Justice appointed 22 members, which is contrary to the dictates of the law.
This development has sparked mixed reactions, with leaders from Meru County defending Chief Justice Martha Koome.
The petition is misplaced because the Chief Justice, I believe, is a stickler for the law, and I know her personally, and I believe she would not be doing anything wrong. If it is political, I think it should be removed because we are going to aggravate the situation.
And I think Martha has been very level-headed. She has been discussing things and talking things without any favor regarding even the country Kenya, and also regarding her judiciary department. And I find it really awkward. I can say it's witch hunting or fighting our president through the back door.
It remains to be seen whether Otieno's petition will gain traction and hold merit. Time will tell. George Maringa, TV47.